Have you ever struggled to explain why your research truly matters? Come, listen to me as I discuss the significance of research. Understanding and articulating the significance of your research is crucial for demonstrating its value and impact. In this video, I'll delve into 5 types of research significance, exploring their importance and how to effectively communicate them in your proposal. Let's dive in and discover how to highlight the importance of your work.
Significance is important because although you have told the panel everything, this is the problem is important, this is how I'm going to solve it, these are my research questions, this is my objective, and so on. But if you supplement all that with the significance of your research, then it actually makes your proposal very strong. And I have seen on many occasions this section is either not there in the proposals, or if it is there, it is just written very superficially. But I think this is a section where you can spend fair bit of time and thinking to list what are the different significance of your research. And when you're writing that, you can also see that, okay, when you're thinking this way, maybe I need to kind of go and tweak my research question a little bit, and so on. So let's see what the different categories of significance of your research. So I have grouped the research significance into practical significance, theoretical significance, social, economic, environmental. So you can mention all the different significance of your research, and having these categories itself shows that you have kind of spent thinking about how your research is going to be valuable. So let's look at an example of a practical significance. So here I have got this. This research holds the potential to guide urban planners and policymakers in creating healthier cities by emphasizing the integration of green spaces. So this is a practical benefit, practical significance of your research. Yeah, it underscores the tangible benefits of such spaces on mental health, advocating for designs that prioritize public well-being. So not only are you mentioning your research, but you have also kind of saying that, see, I'm doing this research, but this is an important research that needs to be done. So I should be given, say, if you're applying for a PhD scholarship or if you're applying for external funding, this section becomes very important because this shows the benefits of doing this research. And if this research is funded, the funding agency needs to have some level of confidence that this is useful research and this should be funded. The next section is theoretical significance. So when you are doing research, you are going to create some new knowledge, right? What is this new knowledge? And if you can articulate that nicely, then that becomes your theoretical significance. So in this case, what do we have? The study contributes to environmental psychology by elucidating the nuanced relationship between green space characteristics and mental health outcomes. So maybe this bit of research, is your innovation from your study that will be generated from your study, which you haven't done it yet, but you are thinking that this will be the theoretical significance of your research. Next one you can mention is social significance. So what is social significance? Social significance is your opportunity to tell the panel about how your research is going to benefit the society at large. How is the society going to benefit with your research? And if you keep these kind of filters or dimensions in mind, it will help you to formulate your research question also properly. So let's see an example of a social significance. This study underscores the importance of urban green spaces in supporting biodiversity and mitigating urban environmental issues such as heat island effects and air pollution. The findings advocate for sustainable urban development that harmonizes human well-being with ecological preservation. So see, when you read this, you get an idea of the how this research is going to be socially significant as well. Next is environmental significance. This I think is fairly straightforward in this research because it is about urban green spaces. So what is the environmental benefit of conducting this research? So what do we have here? This says this study underscores the importance of urban green spaces in supporting biodiversity and mitigating urban environmental issues. Next, we have economic significance. So, in terms of economic significance, you can also mention how is this going to benefit the economy. So is it going to create new jobs, or is it going to help the society become more economically strong? So, the research highlights the potential economic benefits of investing in urban green spaces, including reduced healthcare costs by promoting mental health and enhancing property values. So there are two benefits that are mentioned here in terms of the economic significance. One is the cost of healthcare will go down because people would be their mental health will be good because due to the urban green spaces that they would have. And secondly, it will also increase the value of the properties that they are living in. So the green spaces actually will increase the value of their houses.